Action. Hey.
Chocolate rain.
Are you listening to me? Cause you're all I've got.
Hey.
Stop it.
Ave Maria. Hey, I don't know where that came from, but you know what? I have been sick this week, so my voice is not that good. I told you I'm sick. I'm sick. I'm sicky. I'm sick. You're always doubting me. You think I'm a liar. I really hope you're listening. I'm still working on Poppy, I don't have patience for this right now. And she's trying to drive me crazy. So she's going to the other room. Okay?
Does this lipstick make me look like a whore, or is it my pink bra strap? My life would suck without you.
And that is definitely too dark. Yeah.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
I could not do this without you. A special thanks going out to R.R. Rogers 2009 because he has got my back. Now, he got my back. Like, I'm saying, the show must always go on.
Hit it.
Always. Love, Hot for Chick.
Gobble, 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 gobble.
Cut.